Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you will find and feel fresh. In today's lecture I am going to show you how can you use the toroidal bend. Actually, why we are using the toroidal bend, and most of cases we need like such kind of things like tires or any circular things, so for that we use the toroidal bend. Okay, so before to use the toroidal bend, we must need a solid sketch or a solid object, and this time I will draw a center rectangle like okay, and this time I will extrude it up to a certain limit, or you can keep it okay. Just click OK, and this time I will create a sketch on this plane, and just make sure keep it normal. And this time I will create a slanted rectangle, and sorry, I will okay. Now add some round over here like this one, but first okay, and this one, and also over here, okay, and just click OK. Keep it 4 and just click OK. Okay, just come in standard view, and you can see right now what I want to just press and hold the shift key and select the round and extrude, and just come to pattern and geometric pattern now, and here select the direction, and direction 1 I want this, and just flip the direction, just press and hold control shift key, and here come to pattern, geometric pattern, here come the direction, and here I will choose this direction. Just flip the direction and give the entities. Right now I'm keeping it 7, and sorry, 7 is still less, let me give it 12, or 13 is fit right now. And you can assign the distance in between the 3D object that you have made on the top of the first one. And direction 2 I will select this one, and let me keep 5 is large, and just click OK. So right now I have patterned this on the top of this, and right now what I should do, just come to toroidal bend and reference, just make sure solid geometry and define. I will choose the surface as a reference and sketch on it and make it normal. Right now I will put some references to this object, okay, and just close it right now. I will specify the coordinate system. Okay, I will put it over here, the coordinate system. After that, what I should do, I will draw an arc, and how, let me show that right now. Okay, just specify the angle, specify the distance. This time I will keep it 70, this one also 70, and what I should do, I will draw an arc, okay, and trim the unwanted portions, okay. Once you done this, so you can see that the profile or the solid object is bent along this arc. So just come over here and keep it 360, and this time I will select the two surfaces. So one is this surface and the second one is this surface. So actually you can see that. Oh, really fantastic. Okay, so you can use the toroidal bend for such kind of purposes like tires or even whatever you can. Okay, so just confirm it. Okay, so hopefully you like this video. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell icon. Thanks